Ground-to-ground environment. Canada has upgraded a tornado warning for southeast states to Saskatchewan. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: Rockford, Rosewood Park, Ayrshire, Stilton, Langley, Virginia Beach, Craven, Grand Island, Balgonie, Pawtucket, Wilcox, Colliers, Estienne, Bradley, Carlisle, Watson, Fort Stewart Head, Saugus, Beaver, Markham, Smithton, and Alfred. Environment. Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large-scale and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
This will take measurements for